In the previous video, we finished the explanation up to Act 4, Scene 1, that is, trial scene explanation was over, and today we have to start Act 4, Scene 2. This brief scene develops the comedy of rings one step further. Nerissa plays the same trick as used by Portia to take away Gratiano's ring, which she had given to him at the time of their marriage. Portia and Nerissa then hasten back to Belmont, anticipating the fun they will have by accusing their husbands of giving away their rings. Okay, now in Act 4, Scene 1, last part, what was there? That is, once the court proceeding was finished. So after that, Portia tried to take away ring of Bassanio, isn't it? So same thing here will be done by Nerissa also, that Nerissa will also try to take ring of her husband Gratiano. Then after this, so this brief scene develops the comedy of rings one step further. So the one comedy was there in the last part of Act 4, Scene 1, that Portia managed to take ring of her husband, and now here in this scene we will see that Nerissa also manages to take ring of Gratiano. And Portia and Nerissa then hastened back to Belmont, and Portia and Nerissa both were there, so they were very fast to go back to Belmont, anticipating the fun they will have by accusing their husbands by giving away their rings. That is what they have in their mind. Portia and Nerissa, they have in their mind that what they will do, that when they will reach to Belmont and meet their husbands there, so what they will do, they will accuse their husbands, that is, they will blame their husbands, for losing their rings, and they will have fun when finally they will give back their rings. Okay, so this is what we have to learn in this Act 4, Scene 2. Scene 2, Venice. A street, enter Portia and Nerissa disguised as before. So who is there in the scene? This scene takes place in Venice, and they're on a street, Portia and Nerissa, and they are disguised as before. That Portia is dressed up in lawyer's dress and Nerissa as her clerk. So Portia says, "Inquire the Jew's house out, give him this deed and let him sign it. We will away tonight and be a day before our husband's home. This deed will be well welcome to Lorenzo." Now here what Portia says to Nerissa, Portia says that inquire the Jew's house out, that is, find out where the Jew's house is, and give him this deed, and you give him this deed. And what is this deed? You can look other side, it is given document, that is the legal document in which he promises to make Lorenzo his hire. Okay, so what is there? That is, it's a legal document which was signed by Shylock, that after him all his property will be transferred to Lorenzo and Jessica. So here, so Portia says, that is, you go and find out where is Jew's house and give him this deed and let him sign it, and let him sign this legal document. We will away tonight. And then she says that we shall leave tonight, and where they have to go? They have to go back to Belmont and be a day before our husband's home. That is, we have to reach at our home one day before, only before our husbands. This deed will be well welcome to Lorenzo. This deed will be well welcome, that is, this deed will be much welcome to Lorenzo, that Lorenzo will be happy to have this deed. And then, that is, deed means legal document. Enter Gratiano. Now meanwhile, as she was saying Nerissa to take this deed to Shylock's house so that he can sign it, so who comes there? Gratiano. And who has sent Gratiano? That Bassanio only has sent Gratiano. Bassanio gave his ring and told, you take this ring and give to the lawyer. Then Gratiano says to Portia, "Fair sir, you are well overtaken My Lord Bassanio, upon more advice, has sent you here this ring, and does entreat your company at dinner. Now Bresciano said that, fair sir, that is, good sir, you are well overtaken. My Lord Bassanio, and then he says that my Lord Bassanio, upon more advice means that is on further consideration, that my master, my Lord Bassanio, on further consideration has sent you here this ring, that is after thinking a little more, so he has sent this ring for you, and does entreat your company at dinner, and he has invited you to have dinner with him. Then Portia replied, that cannot be. His ring I do accept most thankfully. Then Portia said, that cannot be. That is, it is not possible to have dinner with him. His ring I do accept most thankfully. That is, this ring I accept most thankfully, and I am thankful for this. And so I pray you, and so I request you, tell him. And then he says, that is, you tell him this, that I am thankful for this ring, and I request you, tell him this. And furthermore, and one more request I want to make you, that I pray you show my youth old Shylock's house. And then what Portia says, that I have one more request, and that is show my youth. And who is this youth? That is clerk. Okay, she is talking about Nerissa here, that you show my youth, that is my clerk, where is old Shylock's house. Then Bresciano says, that will I do. So Bresciano says that yes, surely I will do that. I will show where is Shylock's house. Then Nerissa replied, sir, I would speak with you. Then Nerissa said that, sir, I want to speak something from you. I want to say something to you. Then aside to Portia, now slowly Nerissa says something to Portia so that Bresciano may not listen. And what she said to Portia, I will see if I can get my husband's ring. And then she said to Portia that I will see, that is, I will also see if I can get back my husband's ring, which I did make him swear to keep forever, and the same ring which I had made him to keep with him forever. So I will try to get back that ring if possible. Then Portia, she also spoke, replied slowly to Nerissa that, thou mayst, I warrant, he shall have old swearing that they did give the rings away to men, but we will outface them and outswear them too. Now what Portia said slowly to Nerissa, that is, yes, you may. Okay, that is, yes, you may try to get back the ring. I warrant. I warrant means I assure you. We shall have old swearing. Now she said, that is, we shall have old swearing that they did give the rings away to men. That is, we shall have old swearing that when we will meet our husbands, so we will make them to swear once again as they took oath earlier. Okay, and what oath we will make them to take? That is, that they did give the rings away to men, that they have given their rings to any of the men. Okay, but we will outface them, that they will swear, surely they will protect themselves by saying that we have given ring to any of the men. But what we will blame them, we will blame our husbands that no, you have not given rings to any of the men, but you have given to any of the women surely. But we will outface them. Outface means oppose them, that when they will swear that they have given rings to any of the men, so what we will do, we will oppose what they say and outswear them too. And outswear, that is, we will make them to swear more loudly. Then Portia said aloud, that is, she said in front of Bresciano, away, make haste. Then Portia said, that is, away, that is, go fast, go away and be quick in this work. Thou knowest where I will tarry, that is, you know very well where I will wait for you. To whom she said this? Portia said this to Nerissa, that is, away, that is, go and get signature of Shylock on the legal document and do this fast, be quick, and you know very well that where I will wait for you. Narissa said, "Come, good sir, will you show me to this house?" And then Narissa took Graciano and she said, that is, "Come sir, let's go, and will you show me to this house?" That is, whose house? To Shylock's house. Now that is over.